for the teachers. Just going to go through how to make high quality mathematics assessments now that we live in the age of AI. I've worked in lots of schools now, and the quality of assessments varies enormously, I think. I see teachers trying to wrestle with, Microsoft Word editor, and this has been a complete game changer for me, learning how to do things using AI and using latex, which is just a coding language. This is how I create all the Win Education trial exams. So if you're interested in purchasing those for VCE, just get in touch. But yeah, what do they say? Teach a man to fish, you feed him for the rest of his life. In any case, you need to know basically two things. You need an account with anything. So I've just got ChatGPT here. I've also got Claude. I find them for simple things like what we're going to do here. Either's fine. I've got the Claude premium account or whatever. That helps me go into a bit more detail. But what we want to do here is we're just going to, as you can see in this Overleaf package, and you can get a free account with Overleaf, you've got latex code here, and this has all been generated by AI. And then when you press this recompile button, it generates the PDF, which is ideally what we're trying to go for when we make high quality assessments, I think. So let's just make something up. So come over to ChatGPT, say write a latex document for a year 7 maths assessment on, I don't know, rotational symmetry. Any topic you like, include answer lines. Make sure it compiles in Overleaf. Super simple. I don't know, whatever. You know how AI is, it's just insanely good at doing whatever you want. Okay, it's giving me that. I want the latex code. There we go, it gives you all this, blah, blah, blah. Copy it. Okay, and then, you just delete whatever you've got here, create this, recompile. And it's not great, but, this was just to show you the overall general idea. You have to just keep tweaking it and working at it, putting your own spin on things. But yeah, what is rotational symmetry? Explain it, order of rotational symmetry, different things. You push it to generate an actual picture of a square, and it can easily do that. It uses a package called TickZ, I think. So you can also do that as well. And you just need to work with it. You need to work on the formatting and things. But yeah, I feel like that's already a pretty solid assessment of 6 questions at least. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll just show you create an image of a square using TickZ and write the code. That's not going to work because of course it isn't. Once you log in, okay, let me pause and I'll log in. So that it will actually execute my prompt and they can collect all my data. But anyway, let's see if we have any more luck here. Blah, blah, blah. Yep, you need to have these 2 things. So let's copy that, delete all that, put that in there. Sometimes you need what's called a preamble, just so you can have all the right packages, and then you put it in here, I think. You just have to play around, right? Recompile, and voila, it didn't work. But then Overleaf is pretty cool. It's got all these suggested fixes, so you can apply suggestion. Okay, let's just go back here, write it all as one block. That looks better, more promising. Recompile, and we might have it now. Anyway, there we go, there's a square. So this piece of code can obviously be inputted into anywhere in the previous document. So if we Control Z all this, you get the idea. We can put this at maybe the end of our document. Maybe we'll put it right at the end here, and we recompile it. And of course it doesn't work. Suggest fix. Anyway, you get the idea. AI will fix it anyway. It's just crazy the times we're living in. There we go, and you get a square there that you need for your assessment. So yeah, there you go. Hopefully you found that interesting. Give us a thumbs up, and good luck with all your exam writing, fun stuff that you do.